guys, today we're gonna be in this forest surviving for the whole entire day, and we have no food, no shelter, a little bit of water, and we're gonna try to catch something at the lake and eat it. We're gonna make a fire and shelter, and we are going to be doing lots of stuff today that are cool, and we're going to be building a shelter right here, and we're going to break this down and put new stuff in it. So let's get started. Finished our shelter, and now we're going to be trying to catch something to eat and make a fire and cook it. So we'll see how it goes. Hi guys, my dad cast a fish. Now it's a sunfish, and we're going to start making a fire. Finally made a fire to cook our fish and stuff, and we're gonna be needing to do lots of stuff, like taking the guts out of the fish or the heart and lots of stuff. I'm so excited to start eating our fish, and they're gonna be super yummy. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you like it, and we're gonna start eating it.
Be careful, it's still hot.
Ow! Very hot.
Shelter.
Oh, it's so good. You better try it. Oh, yum.
Is it good?
I'm just trying this piece and it's super good. I told you. And I wasn't lying. We're adding some good sweets in this. Ooh, nice. We better get
It's our first food for this day.
But we might not have anything else to eat because all that lives in this river is fish. So we're eating our fish. This is the last fish that my dad let me eat it, so I'm eating it.
How it tastes?
So good. You should have ate it for yourself. This is so good. I wish there could have been more.